Today in this video, I'm going to introduce another Windows 11 24h2 Lite version, that is Windows X-Lite. This operating system is super light. First, you need to open a browser and search for Optimum 11 and you'll find Optimum 11 Pro. Open it. Now, click on the downloads. Here you'll find Windows 10 builds, 11 builds, so many special editions. Now, we want to install Windows 11 builds, then we'll have to click on Windows 11 builds and here you'll find different builds. Windows 11 24h2, 23h2, 24h2. So click on the latest, scroll with it, scroll a little bit. Here you'll find two options, Home and Pro. Click on Pro, scroll a little bit. Here you'll find 24h2 Pro version 4.3, that is the latest, and older one is 4.2. Click one of them, scroll a little bit. Here you can find the installation processes here. If you want to enable this type of widget, then you'll have to download this link, and if you want to enable gallery, you will have to download this option, and here is the screenshot of this OS. Now you'll have to click on download link. Now here you'll find the download link. Now when it's downloaded, search for repos and open the first link. Now scroll a little bit, click on the latest, close the ad, download will be started. Now when the download is completed, close your browser. Now you'll have to open this PC, go to download folder. Here you'll find repos and the Windows X-Lite zip file. Right click on it, extract here. Now it's extracted. Now you can delete the zip file. Here in the zip file you can find repos, but it's the older one. Here is the ISO. Just double tap on repos, click on yes, click on yes. Now select the Windows X-Lite Optimum 11 and drag and drop it to the repos. Now it's loaded. Now you'll have to insert a pen drive to PC minimum 8 GB. Now you'll have to prepare a bootable USB drive using repos. Now after creating a pen drive, close repos and you'll have to restart your PC and access the boot menu of your PC. To access the boot menu of your PC, you can look at this photo, otherwise you can search in Google. From the boot menu, you'll have to select your user pen drive and hit on the Enter key. Press Enter key here. Now here you'll have to select one of them, click on Next. Now you'll have to choose your drive where you want to install. Now my disk is ready, click on Next. The installation process is started. You'll have to wait here 15 to 30 minutes to complete the installation. After installing, if you find the screen resolution like this, right click on the desktop, go to display settings. Here, put the resolution as default, click on keep change. Now you can see the screen resolution is here. And you can see this OS has taken only 5 GB of space in my hard drive. And here you can see Windows 11 24h2, Windows 11 Pro. Everything is working fine. Thanks for watching.